5 wealth-killing mistakes that keep you poor and almost everyone makes, and what to do instead. So, most people don't stay broke because they don't make enough money. They stay broke because they keep making the same 5 mistakes over and over again. And today I'll show you those 5 mistakes and, even more importantly, what to do instead. And believe me, those mistakes seem obvious, but you have to change your mindset and your habits for doing better, guys. So let's start with mistake number 1. I would call it lifestyle inflation. So don't immediately raise your lifestyle and expenses whenever your income increases. What I want to tell with this, you know what I mean. Most people, when their income increases, go for a bigger car, a bigger apartment, a bigger house, whatever. You know what I mean? I did the same mistake. But anyway, instead, use for at least 2-3 years the same lifestyle, don't increase it, and use 80% of the money to invest into financial markets to keep growing. You can adjust later. And take 20% for treat yourself, like a nice watch, nice vacations with your wife or girlfriend, or nice dinners. But put 80% into financial markets. I did the same mistake, and once you step up, stepping down from your lifestyle is barely impossible mentally. But I went broke and I had to start over, so I didn't repeat this mistake. Mistake number 2, buying a brand new car. This one is one of the biggest mistakes ever because a car is a depreciating asset. The moment you drive off the dealership lot, it starts losing value, but big time. And believe me, I like cars too. So many new cars lose around 40 till 60% of their value within the first 5 years. So instead, do this. Buy a reliable used car that's 4 till 5 years old. It can be a BMW, Mercedes anyway. But somebody else already paid the biggest depreciating. You don't have to pay it. And nowadays, it's not a big deal anymore. A 4 or 5 years old BMW is as good as a new one. I still don't buy new cars and I will never do it. There's only one exception. You're so freaking rich, you don't care. And here is something most people get wrong. Paying cash isn't always the smartest option. If you can finance a car at a low interest rate and keep your cash invested, your investment portfolio may earn higher long-term return than the financing cost. That way, your money continues working for you instead of sitting in your driveway, because that is dead capital, guys. Mistake number 3, financing things you don't need, like the latest iPhone, expensive furniture, designer clothes, etc., etc. If you're borrowing money for things that lose value in the moment you buy them, you're making your future poorer just to enjoy something today. Instead, do this. Use debt only when it helps to build wealth. Borrowing money for appreciating assets or productive investments can make sense. But borrowing money that only loses value usually doesn't. Learn the difference between good debt and bad debt, and you will make much smarter financial decisions, because bad debt keeps you in the hamster wheel of the system. Mistake number 4, buying your dream home too early. Your home doesn't usually generate income. Instead, it comes with mortgage payments, taxes, insurance, maintenance, repairs. Too many people become house rich but cash poor. Instead, do this. First, buy investment real estate that pays off for itself through rental income or positive cash flow. Let those properties help to build your wealth and generate passive income. Then, once your investments are producing enough income, or your investment portfolio has compounded enough wealth, buy your dream home without putting yourself under financial pressure. As a rule of thumb, I also wouldn't want my total housing cost to exceed about 1/3 of my monthly income. Keep that in mind, guys. Mistake number 5, waiting for the perfect time to invest. I hear that all the time. I start investing when I make more money. I wait until the market crashes. I'll invest next year. The problem is, next year often turns into 5 or 10 years. And the biggest thing you are losing isn't just money, it's time. Instead, do this. Start investing. Even if it's only a small amount every month. You don't need to be rich to begin investing. You become wealthy by investing consistently and giving your money enough time to compound. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Well guys, a little conclusion. Building wealth isn't about making perfect decisions. It's about avoiding a handful of expensive mistakes and consistently make better ones. And if you can do that year after year, your financial future will look completely different. And never forget, being rich is having time to do beautiful things in life and enjoying life. And money is just a tool to buying you time. Guys, see you next video. Peace out. Sasha.